We are on storm alert here at NBC 26, still looking at that winter storm warning north and west of Green Bay into the evening hours, and we have a winter weather advisory for Waushara and Wapaka counties as well. Here's a look at Storm Shield radar. We had snow this morning going over to a mixture of rain and some sleet during the late morning and afternoon, and now the early evening from roughly the Fox Valley south and east. Meanwhile, north and west, it stayed snow pretty much all day long. And here are some of those totals coming in from this snowstorm. Iola, 9.5 inches of snow. We had 8 inches in Pembine, 7 inches in Clintonville, 6 inches in Lena. Many of these spots will see higher totals here as new information comes in. Officially at the National Weather Service in Green Bay, 5 inches. This is the map I showed you last night, and for the most part, it looks like it's going to work out pretty well. 7 to 10 inches north and west of the Fox Valley, lesser amounts to the south and east of the Fox City. So as we head through the evening, that snow or the mixture of rain, sleet, and snow will come to an end. We're now transitioning into a very windy evening across northeast Wisconsin and very icy roads as well. And more snow is likely as we head into tomorrow evening. So as this big storm pulls out of here, and it's a strong one, it's producing very gusty winds right now across southern Wisconsin, 40 to 50 miles per hour. Those winds will be lifting north as we head through the evening hours. And we have a wind advisory now in place from the Fox Valley south and east. Winds could gust up to around 50 miles per hour at times. That, of course, will blow around trash cans and other loose objects, and we could have some power outage as well, and maybe even some tree damage. Temperatures right now to our west are much colder than what we're seeing right now. We had highs in the upper 30s to around 40. They are now starting to fall back into the lower to mid 30s, but then we have 20s, and then we have teens and single digits, and that cold air is coming in on those strong winds. So temperatures will be falling out of the 30s into the 20s and then into the teens, and that means a flash freeze is likely as all that slush out there quickly turns into ice, and of course the end product will be hazardous traveling conditions. Right now in Green Bay, it's 36. Winds are gusting between 30 and 40 miles per hour. In Appleton, the temperature has dropped down to 34 degrees, and we have winds gusting right around 40 miles per hour. You can see that colder weather now moving in from the west. 36 in Sturgeon Bay compared to 27 degrees in Antigo. Storm Shield radar shows light snow or a light mix beginning to pull out of northeast Wisconsin as this strong storm lifts off towards the north and east. Behind it, we're going to see a weak ridge of high pressure build in later on tonight into tomorrow, and then another system will approach from the west. You can see the colder air pouring in behind the system this evening. Wind advisories and high wind warnings all over the place. Winds have been gusting close to 60 miles per hour across parts of northern Illinois. As we head through the evening hours, we will see those wind gusts of 40 to possibly 50 miles per hour. Much colder air coming in with those gusty winds by tomorrow morning. Most spots will be in the teens, and then tomorrow afternoon, a wide range of conditions. Teens north, 30s south, thanks to a frontal boundary. Where that frontal boundary sets up is key into how much snow we get tomorrow evening. You can see here on Skycast that the high-res radar product here, future radar product, is suggesting that we're going to see a band of snow develop right across east central Wisconsin, and that snow can actually fall heavily at times, and there's the potential for another 3 to 6 inches across a large part of the viewing area. I'll be fine-tuning that forecast throughout the evening and tomorrow as well. So tonight, very windy with that flash freeze. Everything's going to ice over. Lows will be in the teens. Tomorrow, snow developing. High temperatures mainly in the 20s, but ranging from the teens north to the 30s south. Some snow could linger into Thursday morning. Much colder on Friday. Look for a high of 10. Lower to mid-20s on Saturday. And then we will continue to warm up as we head into early next week. And with the warm-up, more precipitation headed our way. Some snow or a mixture.
An active weather pattern ahead.
Yes, tune in tonight on NBC 26 Live at 10. We'll have a recap, and then I'll have more information about tomorrow evening's potential snowmaker.
All right, thanks, Cameron.
Okay.
Well, still ahead, after one of their players was accused of being a